name is Nancy Valdivia, Children's Librarian for the Palm Springs Public Library. And this is the February 9th Craft Along Tissue Paper Heart Collage. In your kit, which becomes available on the 9th of February, are the following items: a foam brush, a canvas panel 5x7, tissue paper, of course, not all of this, but most of it. You'll also have some glue and something a little special, a little treat. Little treat bag, colored pencil with an eraser, conversational hearts, and Hershey's Kisses. Just a reminder, you'll need a good pair of scissors and water. Happy crafting! Okay, so we have our little hearts here, cut out different sizes, nice variety, and let's just get crafting. Did want to let you know that you do need a good pair of scissors so that you can cut out your own hearts out of tissue paper that's in your kit. And the best way to do that is just to take one or two pieces of tissue paper, fold it, and you see here the fold here, this is the open portion, and then on the fold is where you will cut out using your scissors a little heart shape. Okay, it's just half part of the heart. So I mentioned you need a good pair of scissors. Again, you take that tissue paper whatever size you want, scissors, and you're just going to take them, angle, go around a bit. This takes practice, so just don't get discouraged, and then kind of angle down and out, and then you should have a nice little heart shape. Again, heart shapes come in different forms, so it just takes practice to do this, okay? And doing the heart shapes. You get big ones, little ones. Start with making big ones, and then you can make some little tiny ones once you get really good at doing it. And like I said, heart shapes come in different sizes, different colored tissue paper, but it all takes practice. So don't get discouraged. Just do the best you can, and with what you've got, and have some fun. Make a memory. All right, so I'm going to put these down with a little bit of water. So I have some water here, and I have my foam brush, okay? And you're just going to lay out your hearts on your canvas. Just put them here and there and everywhere. Okay, and like I said, this is a collage, so there's no right or wrong. It's however you're inspired to put down these hearts on your canvas. You just keep putting them down, big ones, small ones. Even if you had some that didn't come out so right, okay, you can always put half of it on your collage, and it'll fold down. Looks great. So you can even use the ones that just didn't come out quite the way you wanted to. Just put them on the side. Put them on the side, or one side of it folds over, or it looks like it's folded over. Okay, I think that's good. Now you're just going to take your foam brush, dip it in the water, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, just a dot, dot, dot here and there. And some of the paper with the polka dots on it, it's a little bit thicker and a little bit different type of tissue paper, so you might have to push it down a little bit harder for it to stay. The other tissue paper will just easily just lie down. Now just a little bit goes a long way. So you're doing this so that it'll kind of set a little bit for you before you put on the mixture of glue. Just say Elmer's glue, school glue. So it's just dot, dot, dot. Okay. So now I'm going to take my glue, my Elmer's glue, and so I'm going to take it. Okay, so you're going to take your Elmer's glue. You just need a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. You see there, I just got a little bit, just a little bit. You're going to put some water in here, just a little bit. Just a little bit. A little goes a long way. Okay. Now, after I put the water on, you let it dry. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. This is going to dry. Alright, once the water has dried a little bit, then you can apply the glue mixture. And it's just like I said, a little bit of glue and a little bit of water, and just mix it a little bit with your foam brush. And you're going to dot this on the tissue paper and on the canvas to kind of seal your project. Now if your heart shapes go over on the side, as you have here on the side here a little bit, don't forget to cover that too with the glue mixture. Now you can embellish it, you know, if you have some extra craft materials, you know, glitter, whatever it is that you want to use to kind of embellish it a little bit more. Or you can go crazy, crazy, crazy and put hearts everywhere. And that's very important that when you put it down to dry, sometimes if you put too much glue here on the back side, it might actually glue to the surface. So just make sure you wipe off any excess if you have any as you set it aside to dry. Alright, so as you can see here, here is your final product. See, the more you put down, the more of a collage it looks like. So don't forget to pick up your kit, your craft kit, starting Wednesday, February 9th. Happy crafting. Goodbye.